Hey, careful with the book. What is that? Is that a dog? It's a fuzzy dog. No, we don't need to eat the book. Pudge, we don't need to eat the book. Can we not eat that? Can we not do that? Okay, I'm going to turn the page now so you don't eat the dog ear, okay?